Hi everyone, welcome to another Cabinet Vision Guy tech tip. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at how I can create one of these end panels, so a grooved, fluted or slatted end panel, and how I can do that without creating a door style for it, but just do it on the fly within a job. So you'll see on my tall unit on the right hand side I've got one, and on my base unit on the left hand side I've got one, and I'm just building up this island unit at the moment, and I'd like to put one of the end panels in there as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to head to plan view, and I'm going to head down to assembly level. My current construction method is configured just for normal end panels, I think. Yeah, just a finished end panel and a sub end. And what I'm going to do is I don't have to modify my construction method, I just need to do this on assembly level. So I can head into the side that I want for my end panel. I want to select an applied door, and then once I've got an applied door selected, I can click in the space that's available and select it just like I would do a normal door, and I can right click and go to properties, and from here I'm going to change from a shaker door style to just a slab and pick some materials, and then what I'm going to do is hit section door and then click in the slab itself, change this to a vertical slats, give it a spacing, so I'm going to use an optimal spacing at 50mm. Obviously we could do horizontal slats if we wanted that sort of look. There we go. And if I go back to vertical, and if I hit OK, I can then go into 3D and see that I've got my nice end panel. The advantage with this, or this method, is that I can do it on the fly. I don't need a door style setup or to have it as part of my construction method. On this particular design, I'd done a sort of render and taken a look and just decided, you know what, I think it'll look nice with that type of end panel on it. Hopefully you found this tech tip useful. If you can give us a like, share and subscribe. We're also on Facebook, that's facebook.com/thecabinetvisionguy, and Instagram as well, that's instagram.com/thecabinetvisionguy. Cheers!